Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Boomer from Powerpuff Girls. Grab your marker and follow along with me. First up, I'm going to draw an A shape, just to make the fringe of Boomer. One to this side, and then one to the other side. And then we're going to draw a little face. So I'm going to draw the jawline. I'm going to start right here. I'm going to take the jawline all the way around. And I'll connect it to the other side. And then within that, we can make the eyes. I'm going to draw one big eye on this side. And on the other side, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to start here at the bottom. And I'll take it right around. And now it's time for the pupil. We're going to draw a pupil and an iris. And on the other side we'll do the same thing. A pupil and an iris. And light reflections. So we're going to start up here. A light reflection on top. Another light reflection below. And let's do the same for the other eye as well. On top and below. Great, let's color the pupils in. Now, right between the eyes, we're going to draw a little smile. And then right above, we're going to draw the head. So what I'll do, I'll start here at the top. And I'm just going to draw the shape of the head. There we go, that's one piece of hair. Let's do the same on the other side. I'm going to make a mark here, because I want to duplicate the line on the other side, sort of make it the same. And then we're just going to make the hair. Now let's start with the body. I'm going to make it nice and round, and I'm going to include the legs as well. I'll do this, and on the other side I'll do the same thing, like this. Now I'm going to measure, and I'm going to say the legs will stop right there. So now I'm going to make it nice and round, connect it, and here make it nice and round and connect it as well. And now we're going to draw the shoes. Very easy and simple. Maybe a shoelace on top of that, and another little shoelace there. Let's do the same on the other side. A shoelace, and then another shoelace, and then a belt area. So I'm just going to draw the line there, and just one at the top as well. There we go. And now it's time for the hands and the arms. Make it nice and simple, just a round curve. And on this side, let's do the same thing. Round curve all the way there, and there we go. And there's Boomer. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure Boomer will look absolutely great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.